The solutions x equal -1 and x equals 5 resolve which of the following equations? Select all that apply. Alright, so if I put -1 in here for x, this one would become 0. So that works. And if I put 5 in this one, this would become 0. So these work for this one here. Alright, for b, if we put a -1 in here, this would be -2. And if I put a 5 in here, that would be 10. So neither of these would become 0. So not B. All right, here, if we put a -1 in here, -1 plus 1 is 0, so this will work. Here we have a 5. This 5 put into this spot would also make this 0. So C also works. Here we have a -1, and that will work because that would make this 0. If we put a 5 in for x, then this term would become 0 as well. So D works. This would be 0 squared, which is still 0. And here we need to factor first. So we have x and x. Both of these terms are negative, which means we're going to have one positive term and one negative term. 5 times 1 is 5. -5 plus 1 gives us -4. So I'll put the 5 there and the 1 there. So that means that we have x equals -1. If we put that in for x, this term would become 0. And if we put 5 in here, that term would become 0. So E works as well.